Hey, everybody, Brian Higgins here. Hopefully, you are well. Thanks for stopping by. I know that being new to affiliate marketing can be a daunting task when you look at traffic and finding the right copy in your ads, creating emails for autoresponders, creating content, creating videos. And I'll tell you, I've tried a lot of different things throughout my career, and I feel that all the experience and the failures and the successes and the things that got me to right now have helped me to be here. And if I did not keep getting up and keep trying, I would have never been able to get to this video. So I'm sure you can relate to that. You may be in the beginning of your experience, you may be later on, but whether you're new or coming back to affiliate marketing, it takes a process and a path and a specific set of directions that'll help you make success out of nothing and going from 0 to 10 and 20 and $30,000 a month. So the purpose of Journey to Legendary is twofold. One, I created a shot clock for myself where I'm almost forcing myself to create content because I invested in myself with a credit card. And I have 30 to 45 days to pay that card back. And by the end of 30 to 45 days, not only do I need to recoup my investment, but also journey that path and journal that path with you and walk you through the steps that I'm taking on a daily basis. Whether this content is any good or not, that's not up to me to decide. I'm going to stop caring what other people think, and I'm just going to put this stuff out there and make sure that there's some sort of value when you get on and you watch this video. So if this resonates with you, be sure to subscribe. I don't know which direction it is, but click the subscribe button. Make sure you click the little bell so it notifies you when something new comes up. But yeah, all I can say, I have nothing but positive things so far to say about Journey, Legendary Marketer, and the journey that I'm going on because it's been engaging content, it's been educational, it's been informative, and there's been resources provided that not only create scripts and templates and copy and all the things that you need to do it, but also there's layers of support and people to talk to and live people. And I received a video straight from Dave when I joined that was directed towards me, which is personable and the right thing to do. So I recorded a video back and sent him a video back and just said, hey, thanks for the video, and I'm gonna make your leaderboard. And so what does that take to become a leader is to record. So bottom line is, if you'd like to check out Legendary Marketer or see more of what's going on, click below and not below, but click below and you will see some free resources, some videos, and some more. So again, welcome to Journey to Legendary.